everybody, it's Henry Satus. I'm going to show you how to make Chinese chicken and corn soup. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so we're going to start by adding about 6 cups of chicken stock into a large pot. And to this we're going to add about 3 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. Next I'm going to grate in about 2 teaspoons of fresh ginger. Now we just want to turn the heat on and bring that up to the boil. Alright guys, so once you get a gentle boil going, we're going to turn the heat all the way to low. And we're going to place in 1 whole chicken breast. And we just want to let that simmer in there for about 10 minutes until it's cooked. And we'll just place a lid on. Alright guys, so we're just at the 10-minute mark now. Our chicken is nice and firm, indicating it is cooked. So we're going to take it out and just set it aside for now. But we're going to keep the heat on our pot. And I'm going to add in 1 can of creamed corn. I'm just using a 400 gram can. Now, creamed corn is basically pureed corn, so it's nothing special, it doesn't have cream in it or anything like that. Alright guys, so just in a bowl here I've got a 1/4 cup of water. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of corn flour to this. And all we're going to do is whisk that together, get it well combined. You don't want to add it straight in because you'll get lumps. So once it's nice and dissolved, add that straight in. Just give that a mix in there. Just like so. So we'll leave that on low heat for now. And let's move on. So guys, all we're going to do with the chicken now is just shred it. So this part's pretty straightforward. You can use a fork if you want, but just do it with your hands. Alright, so just like so. So all we're going to do is add this to our pot now. And we just want to simmer this together for about 5 minutes. Now during this time this will start to thicken up. So at this point we're going to season with a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and we'll add in just a teaspoon of soy sauce. Now it's just regular, not dark. And mix that through. It's coming together nicely. Alright, so we're at the 5-minute mark now, so we'll turn the heat all the way to low. Just in a bowl here I've got 2 egg whites. All we're going to do is give that a quick whisk. Just like so. And we're going to very slowly add that in. Just like that. And we want to continue whisking it now. And that's how we start to get these small ribbons. Alright, perfect. So we're ready to serve now. So we'll turn the heat off. Alright, and look at that. We'll finish it off with some freshly chopped parsley just for some colour. Or you can use spring onions as well if you like. And that's all there is to it. Perfect on a winter's day. I hope you like that guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.